Okay, so my name is Carolyn. This is going to be my channel. Little backstory on me. I used to be an EMT. I'm now in nursing school. I live with my grandpa. He has COPD really bad, and trying to keep him out of nursing homes because nursing homes kind of suck right now. He is 81 years old. Name is Ronald, and he really likes to work on vehicles. He used to be an electrician for the high-powered lines, the big ones that cross the country. He built his own house when he was about my age, 20s, 30s, whatever. I don't remember exactly how old he was then, but yeah, built his own 2-story house and had tons of cars and has rebuilt engines, and he does not sit still well. I think if he'd been born in a different generation, he probably would have been diagnosed ADHD. But in the meantime, it is gradually becoming me learning to do some of the things that he used to always do, and him kind of talking me through it. Sometimes it doesn't work great. We end up in shouting matches, which is lovely. Other times it's awesome. I've been living here for about a year now, so we pretty well have a rhythm figured out. I do enjoy it. It's stressful sometimes, but I enjoy it. So this channel, I'm mostly going to be during the winter, the next couple months, I'm going to be talking about stuff that I'm doing around his house, trying to get it back up and running. My grandma passed away, I think, like 6 years ago, and prior to that, or between when she passed away and when I came to live here, it kind of went downhill. I'd been working nights. I didn't see him a lot. I didn't realize how downhill he was or how downhill his place was getting. He also has got 97 acres up in the mountains. It's not so accessible into the winter because of the snows, but it does belong to him too. That one is pretty rundown, honestly. So we're gonna do a lot of projects up there next summer, building up a fence line. We're also going to be putting, we've got mice in the cabin, so we got to get them kicked out. I started that this summer before I knew I was going to start a channel. We'll see how it turns out, but got to get them kicked out. Got some wiring to fix. Got, wiring to fix, fences to build. His little well house floods, so need to figure out some sort of a wall system that I can put around the cellar portion of the well so that it stops flooding and getting everything gross, and replace the floor in there. Don't exactly know what I'm doing yet. I'm thinking of putting in something like a pool maybe type style, or cinder block. I don't know yet. To figure that out. I'm gonna do some research this winter and see what we're gonna do, and then just generally getting both places back up and running into their former glory, hopefully. Other people you might see on my channel: my sister Deborah, and then my mom and dad will be on here very sparingly. They've asked me not to show their pictures, so if they do show up, they're gonna have little faces over them or something. I'll figure that out, but I'm gonna respect their wishes and generally not show them on camera as much as I'm able to. That is about it. It's mid-October of 2022 now, and we will see how well this takes off. Hi guys, so this is going to be one of my first videos that I'm posting. My grandpa and I picked up this, well, you can only see a little part of it, but it is a 1975 Chevy C50. We do not know what engine it is. We are trying to figure that out. Today I learned that it is either a 6 or a 7 liter engine, thanks to what air filter fits in it. Um, it kind of ran the first day, really didn't run very well when we picked it up, and then died on us. Couldn't get it started again. Turned out the air filter was so bad that it wasn't letting any air into the carburetor. I think the carburetor's bad because it ran bad gas through it. Gonna put some fuel stabilizer in the line because it has new gas in the tank now because we ran through all of the old gas. But there's still some sludge junk, I guess, in the bottom, and supposedly the stabilizer is going to fix that. I don't know. I don't think it's a miracle cure, but maybe it'll help. We're also going to put some new fuel filters in it, and I know there's some issues with the windshield wipers and the washer fluid area, and then also the, oh lord, one of the fan belts needs to be replaced, I think. Overall, he got a pretty good deal on it. We'll see how it turns out. Hopefully it'll turn over a bit more once we get it going, once the engine's nice and strong. One of the hydraulic lines that lifts the bed of the dump truck portion, back end's a dump truck, that hydraulic line has a hole in it, so we need to replace that. But we will get that all figured out and hopefully get this thing running. Eventually we'll be taking it up to the ranch property, but in the meantime, while we're getting it running, it's probably going to live in the driveway. It is mid-October, and anytime now it'll start snowing up there. This thing is a two-wheel drive, so it will probably not make it up to the ranch property in the snow, so we'll wait to take that up, or this up, probably until next spring once all the snow comes. Hopefully it won't go too far into the year, probably April or May before we actually get it up there though. Okay, so it's taken us about a week to get the first round of parts. Today we're going to be installing the radiator because the cap was very busted. Radiator's here. It's got some lovely bugs flying around in it. We'll get rid of that radiator fluid. And this is just the radiator overflow tank. We already checked the fluid yesterday in the radiator. It was good. So we don't have to change it. We just have to fill up the overflow tank once we put the new one on. Next, we know that there's pretty bad buildup in the carburetor because somebody ran it with some old gas. So see if we can get the carburetor off today. We were having a little bit of a hard time getting this out. It looks like it got pinched in there a little bit. So we'll have to get the carburetor out. I still have to get a carburetor kit for that. Other thing we're gonna do is these belts go into the alternator. One of them got replaced, one of them still needs replaced. It's got some wearing down at the bottom. And I still need to take an air compressor or a pressure washer to get all of the junk out of all the different lovely areas. Looks like the fan ate up the fan when it was spinning. It had eaten this at some point. Looks like it also ate this tubing. The rest of the tubing's intact. Let's see. This is the windshield wiper fluid. One of them, the other one needs a new tab right here. It was not hooked into the windshield wiper fluid there, but we did that the other day. All we just had to do was reconnect the valve, but we need to get the other windshield wiper up. And then the blades are pretty bad. They're gonna need changed. And we haven't checked the oil yet. So that'll be another project, and adding some fuel stabilizer to the fuel that's already in the line so that it will hopefully not gunk up more on us. And that's all I've got planned for today. We'll see how it goes. Okay, this is seafoam motor treatment. It was recommended to my grandpa by one of his friends who says it's like magic and fixes old fuel and new fuel and makes them mix together happy. Our truck had old fuel in it. The old fuel has all run through and it now has new fuel but has some gunk because of how they interacted, so supposedly it is supposed to fix it. I guess we'll be finding out. Okay, so for adding to gasoline, it will clean the entire fuel system. You just pour it into your fuel tank, and you can use up to 2 ounces per gallon to clean. This is a 16-ounce can, and putting it into a tank that has about 24 gallons of gas, so it's well under the 2. We'll probably get another one. We'll find out. Interesting thing, this can also add to the oil and clean out the oil flow parts, so we might get some more for that too. Yeah, so that is that. We will see how it works. It says to add it every 3,000 miles or whenever you refuel, but obviously new truck, so we're just going to get started. So this is the seafoam motor treatment. We'll stick that in the gas tank and see what happens. Okay, so this is our next thing. It's supposed to stabilize the fuel and kind of grab up what junk is left in there from the old gasoline. Assuming it doesn't try to escape me. Bye. Okay, let's go get that. Okay, I might need 2 hands for this. Hopefully you can see that. I don't actually know. There we go. Okay. And I'm just gonna dump the whole thing in. It said 1 ounce to a gallon. This is 16 ounces and 24 gallons. So we are well within the maximum. Actually, probably need to get another can, but we'll worry about that later. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, that's done. I'll read more about this to you guys later.
That'll work.
See if I can see from there.
What are you gonna do?
I'm trying to record it. There we go. I can sit there and record it and have this to refer back to.
Oh. Oh, I was gonna get that.
A 9/16, you said?
Huh?
A 9/16?
I think it's 9/16.
Okay, we'll find out. Okay. Make me be your gopher next time.
Huh?
I said, make me be your gopher next time.
This will be the only one. You got the wrenches.
Yep, I got the wrenches. Okay. I can sit there. The calipers to tell me what size it is. Okay.
Oh, I went the hose.
Oh, the size of
Or
the.
the pipe.
Oh, that.
The pipe, yeah.
I thought you meant the size of the nut.
No.
Okay. It is.
1/4 inch?
I don't know.
3/16.
Hold on. Oh, that's a half. Okay, so. 3/8.
3/8?
3/8.
Okay. And you got the clamps?
Wait, I thought we were doing this first.
Oh, do you can.
I'm getting confused. Or you're wanting me to take off the fuel line?
Yeah, well, let's go ahead and get that off first. Or that tank, put it on.
I saw it. Where did it go? I lost the nut. Where did it go?
What happened?
I dropped a nut, but I saw where it went.
Okay.
Ow.
Ow.
I hit my head.
You're gonna have grease in your hair then.
Oh, probably. It's okay, I'll take a shower tonight. Got it. I got it.
Okay.
It fell. I don't even know what that is. The bottom of the engine. Oh. Where the fan belt goes. It fell in there. It was so. It fell right straight down there into where the guard is for the fan belt. And that's how I knew where it went because it was so greasy down there. It didn't even make a clink.
There's
a washer with it.
No, the clamp that goes on the.
It's still on that.
Oh. Looks like they put a rubber under it.
They did to make it fit better.
That way it won't slide.
Yeah. Oh, you got it on yourself.
It's okay.
It's antifreeze. Isn't that bad to put on yourself?
I didn't get it on me.
Yeah, you did. On your shirt.
Oh, well, that's all right.
Oh well.
There's flies in there.
Yep. Okay.
Put the other one on first.
Well, that one went here.
Yeah, I know. That's why you put it on first.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because you gotta have your put it on this end first. If you don't, then when you get it up and fit it on, it won't fit.
Oh. Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah.
By the length of the tube.
Yeah.
I was smart. Backwards. Oh, come on.
Oh, that's okay.
It's not in there though. The rubber. Oh, I guess it is. It's just longer than the metal. Okay. And then that was that.
You gotta you climb it just a little bit. So it's level. Yeah.
Too much?
That's close enough.
This one has a washer, but it's like welded to down here.
Yeah.
Or stuck, I don't know. But it does have a washer with it. Oh, buddy.
Did you bring that bottle out with us?
We did.
Has the stuff to go in the tank?
Ah!
You lose it again?
Yeah. I'm a klutz, okay? But again, I saw where it landed. Ooh. Oh, the washer just broke in half. The washer broke in half. That's what fell.
That's okay. We'll do it without the washer.
Okay. Or I guess that was all the half that was left there. Okay. Where did my Stay. Stay. I just need bigger hands.
Well,
Sometimes I need smaller hands. Right now I need a bigger hands.
yeah, I got it.
Hi. Are you not going on? No. Come on.
Get it?
Well, apparently I'm incompetent with screws too. Not only do I drop them, but I can't screw them. There we go. I was just going the wrong way.
Is that the way it was before?
Yeah.
Things, different, right?
I'm going the wrong way again.
Huh?
I said I was going the wrong way again.
Oh, it was.
Well, it's backwards now. Okay, I got them both on loose.
That wasn't in between, huh?
Mm-mm.
Oh, just kidding.
No. I know that's not how you're supposed to use wrenches, but
I'll be right back.
okay. I said okay. That's cool.
Huh?
Wrenches that ratchet? That was too big.
Make sure you're going the right way once you get the roll.
Yeah, that would be bad. Really?
Is that,
It's too small.
what is it?
That was a half inch.
9/16.
I did that 9/16 and it was too big. Well, sure, now it fits.
What do you got?
9/16.
On the bottom too?
I got a 9/16 on the bottom and I've got the adjustable on the top.
It's
Seriously?
gotta be either half inch or 9/16.
Well, it's 9/16 because now it's tightening. Pepper, I just keep dropping it.
Oop.
I'm just gonna be a butterfingers today. I swear I don't normally drop things this much.
Just half inch on top and 9/16. No. It's an adjustable one there.
I am.
Oh, yeah. This one.
Oh, that's not an adjustable, that's a ratchet. Okay, I got it. Too slow for you, huh?
It just makes it easier.
It does.
You don't have to slip it on and off all the time.
This is true.
It's the right size for the bottom.
Yeah, I got that one too.
Oh,
Tight.
ready?
Yeah.
Turn that to the right direction.